Before the first flight boards, they're already there. Checking equipment, clearing runways, making sure every gate, every terminal, every system is ready for another day. Across the United States, 1.4 million people show up to work at airports every single day in operations and maintenance, safety and security, customer experience, logistics, technology, and administration. Together, they keep one of the most complex transportation systems in the world running around the clock. Most passengers never see the full scope of what it takes. The pre-dawn inspections, the coordination that happens across an entire airport before a single wheel leaves the ground or touches down. The people who adapt when weather turns, schedules shift, and plans change without warning. They do it all because this work matters to the travelers counting on them and to an economy that depends on reliable, safe air service every single day. On Airport Workers' Day, we celebrate the dedicated professionals whose work powers every departure, every arrival, and every connection in between.